Okay, we're gonna make a crockpot meal today. I got 2 bags of corn, onion pepper blend, some chicken broth, 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, some heavy cream, and we have some chicken. Okay, so my seasonings, I used ground cumin, half a cup of heavy cream, half a container of the chicken broth, a couple teaspoons of some chili powder if you like that, some pepper, and some garlic powder. And all I'm doing is nestling the chicken down. I have allergies. Down underneath the liquid so it can cook. And I'm going to cook it on low for 6 hours. And that's it. Dump and go comfort meal crock pot season. I'll probably make some noodles to go with this. Okay, so I just took the chicken. Sorry about that. Took the chicken and I kind of shredded it just a bit. I'm going to put it back in there. I got noodles cooking. I'm going to put those in with the chicken. You can dice it, shred it, however you want to put your chicken back in there. So now, I'm going to stir this all together. Everything is pretty much cooked, but we are going to steam. I'll let this go for like another 30 minutes or so. So you get some smaller pieces of chicken. I don't know if you can see that. Bigger pieces. Nice, good comfort food in the crock pot. Oh, heck y'all. I thought I was doing a video. Apparently I was doing a ghost video. I didn't take another bite. I thought it was filming, it wasn't. Okay, we got some cheese in there. In Wisconsin, we like our cheese. Alright. I'm gonna get a little bit of chicken. Gooey cheese. And some peppers. I use tortini noodles. You can use whatever you want. You don't have to put any noodles if you don't want. That's up to you. So, got a little bit of everything on this spoon. Let me blow it off here a little bit. It's hot. It just came out of the crock pot. And there goes some comfort food. Like I said, you can put whatever seasoning you want on it. You can put noodles in it. You don't have to. Put it over potatoes. Put rice with it. You can do whatever you want with it. This stuff is good. This is some really good comfort food. Try it out. Have a great day.